Hey folks, Nate here at the shop once again on our Chevy truck build, doing a absolute must set up for your truck. Absolutely guaranteed after we go through a few of these details on the RHR roll-up and mid-size rack combo. The first thing, starting with the very tallest accessory, of course, even though you'll notice, based on regular sized racks, it does drop down significantly. So as far as getting different cargo, kayaks, stuff from your rack carriers, bikes, all of those accessories gets a lot easier lower down to the ground. Another thing that I really like about the lower profile rack is a lot less road noise. So as you're traveling, let's say longer distances, you're not going to hear all of the same ghastly noise that you do on occasion with some of the larger profile racks. This is available in two different finishes, as you can see here. Beautiful matte black powder coat. We also have it available in silver, made by one of our absolute favorite vendors out there. You can see it is a perfect accompaniment to this roll-up cover, the RHR XL. The RHR XL is a really exciting blend of different features to bring you a high premium level cover, but at a great low price. As far as its functionality, my favorite part is you've got a spring-loaded opener right here at the back on the driver's side, and then over on the passenger side you have a premium manual lock. So again, maybe on your longer travels, you might want to go ahead and fully lock it down for added security. And it also kind of helps from the flapping too. As far as function, it is extremely easy if you start from the driver's side on this cover. As far as functionality for the roll-up cover, it is pretty typical. Again, goes right on the inside of our mid-size rack. All the way to the front. You have a couple of storage straps right up here. You also have really great tension control driver and passenger side. That is something you are not going to find in a lot of roll-up covers within the same price range. Again, absolutely unbeatable premium vinyl on this top cover. Again, folks, what can I say? Our setup with the rack, you have an entire channel that you actually mount the rack on, so you can move these uprights back and forth anywhere along the full length of your truck for any and all storage needs. You have a cover, keep everything a little more valuable underneath, nice, safe, secure, and protected from the elements. Thank you so much for hanging in there, folks. This one was a little longer winded, but more to come. Join us at RHRSwag.com.